एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता astrosage.com के प्रमाणित और प्रीमियम एस्ट्रोलॉजर से करें कभी भी सीधे फोन पर बात। प्यार, पैसा, परिवार या कुछ और, हर सवाल का सीधा और सटीक जवाब। एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता के जरिए ज्योतिषियों को फोन लगाएं और किस्मत का साथ पाएं।
Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of AstroSage, the world's #1 astrology portal. This is Sashwati and I hope you guys are doing well. I'm here today with a very special video concerning the lives of Scorpio natives. So all the Scorpio people out there, keep watching the whole video to get some detailed predictions for the year 2021 and find out how your life will turn out to be in the upcoming year. So without any further ado, let me get going with the predictions. First things first, I'll start with your professional life. So the predictions state that Scorpio natives may face some problems in their career during 2021. According to the Kalpurush Kundli this year, Saturn will be sitting in your 3rd house, which will require you to work harder than before. During this time, you will be seen lazing around and procrastinating your tasks. In such a case, you are required to get rid of this bad habit and move ahead. Otherwise, results can go against you. The movement of the planets indicate that your lazy attitude will give rise to multiple challenges in the workplace. Scorpio astrology forecast also state that especially this year, the time period in between January to mid-February, mid-March, mid-April, June and July are going to be very difficult for you. That is, you will need to pay more attention to your work at your workplace during the first 6 months of the year. Before taking any new project or task in your hand, you have to prepare a planned strategy for better execution. During this time, avoid doing anything that can most likely leave you jobless. Next, I'll be giving away your financial predictions. So Scorpio natives will attain favorable results in the year 2021. However, your expenses may increase at the beginning of the year. Some property or money related issues may arise during this time. However, the time after this seems favorable on your side. If there was a pending court case related to money, then there are chances that the decision is made in your favor. Along with financial benefits, an increase in your expenses will also be witnessed according to Scorpio Financial Horoscope 2021. Those who have been trying to accumulate wealth for a long time are going to face several difficulties this year. Next, I'll be talking about how students of this sign will perform during this year. So students will need to work harder than before in their academic life. If you are an average student, then you may require the assistance of your teachers in order to succeed in your studies. In such a situation, do not hesitate to seek their help and cooperation. The predictions also indicate that ones who are preparing for competitive exams will attain success in their endeavors. Next, I'll move on to your love life. The predictions reveal ups and downs in your love life this year. Scorpio natives may face some problems due to the aspect of Saturn in their 5th house this year. However, those who are in love will fall deeper for their beloved. Single natives may have to wait longer. There is a possibility that your faith towards your partner can decline, which is why it would be best to clear the misunderstandings between you two and keep things transparent. Meanwhile, do not let any third person interfere in your relationship. The months of April and September look a bit unfavorable for you. Chances are that both of you may have to go away from each other due to some reason. If we talk about your health, then this year will give you mixed results in terms of your health. Also, your health will remain normal, but due to the impact of Ketu's presence in your sign, you will frequently face physical pain and discomfort. In this case, the predictions state and advise you to take care of your eating habits and avoid the consumption of excessively fried or oily food items, as any disease or illness, if contracted, can stay with you for a longer period of time. Hence, do not ignore the circumstances and consult a doctor as soon as possible. The months of January, February, March, April and May will specially prove to be unfavorable for you. Apart from this time, you will get good results all throughout the year. Your health will remain normal, but due to the impact of Ketu's presence in your sign, you will frequently face physical pain and discomfort. In this case, predictions based on Scorpio health and fitness horoscope advises you to take care of your eating habits and avoid the consumption of fried or oily food items, as any disease or illness, if contracted, can stay with you for a longer period of time. Hence, do not ignore the circumstances and consult a doctor as soon as possible. Next, we'll be talking about your family life. The predictions reveal that Scorpio natives may have to face some challenges in the year 2021 since the aspect of planets is majorly impacting your family life. Health-related troubles faced by your parents will stress you out. Especially from January until February, a decline in the health of your father will be witnessed. This can make him aggressive in terms of his behavior. However, the time from the first week of April until September and then from November 28th until the end of this year is going to be very favorable for you. During this time, your siblings will support you wholeheartedly and you will get the support of your family members in your professional life too. So, the major predictions have already been stated. I'll now quickly give away some remedies which you can implement in your life during the year 2021 to make the most of this year. What are they? Let us find out. So wearing the best quality coral or Munga gemstone will be favorable for you. You can also wear a pearl gemstone carved with a silver crescent moon around your neck to attain good results in your professional life. Also, when you leave home every day, you can apply a tilak of pure saffron or turmeric on your forehead. This will help you reap auspicious fruits. If it is possible, organize the Rudra Abhishek Puja at your place of residence with your family. You can also mix some sugar with water in a copper vessel and offer it to the rising sun every morning. Doing this will help you to get rid of every problem associated with your career. I really hope and wish that these remedies turn out to be quite useful for you. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. If you have really liked the video, then please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for connecting with us.